Hey everyone, I'm Raman is here, and this is our day 5 building in public. And in today's video, I am going to share something super interesting in which we are going to take a look on what kind of backlinks actually matter and how you can build them, and what kind of backlinks are the one that you should must ignore, because backlinks are something that help us to uh, rank higher in search results. So it is very important that you should must take care of what kind of backlinks are important while building them. So let's move on to the screen. This is our day 5, and in today's episode, we are going to discuss that after building thousands of backlinks, this is what actually work and this is what that does not work at all. And you should stop wasting your money on these kind of backlinks. So before we move on, let's have a look on the today revenue numbers. Today we meet 424, and from that 130 came from ad sites, 220 came from gas posts, and $74 came from Amazon affiliate. The agency services and local SEO services revenue is not included in it. Okay, so here we can have a look at what kind of backlinks are the one that does not help you. Basically, we have been building backlinks. It's been more than 10 years. We have been building backlinks, and we definitely track the results of backlinks that we sell in the market. And this is what we have observed, that the backlinks that does not help you are the one cheap PBNs, cheap gas posts, and the directory backlinks. And I am going to show you some real examples where you will even get confused that these links are helpful or not. So let's move on to the real example. Let's move on to the Fiverr, and here we can have a look on the off-page SEO sources, and that include PBNs and gas posts. You can have a look that different people are selling different kind of gas post. Here you can have a look that I will publish 100 gas post on 90 DA follow website for $5. So these are extremely less powerful links. Like, you should even not have them. I'm even not talking about these one. I am talking about the better links than these links. Like, I'm going to show you some examples where the sites will be the real, where the traffic will be the real, and you are going to see some real numbers of those sites. So here you can have a look that 10 powerful do follow high DA 50 plus gas sports for $100, and like a lot of link packages and links sources that you can see here. I'm not saying that these are bad sources or you should not use them. I'm not saying this at all. I'm just saying that you should know the difference between the real links that help you to jump and the links that does not. Okay, so we will move on and we will look on the live examples. If I have to explain this, it's short that most of the time you do mass outreach, like you do outreach to a lot of people for different kind of purposes, like for backlinks or anything. And if you're using ready-made templates and you repeat them again and again, most of the time your emails are going to be in spam. And the second example, if you generate a lot of AI content and publish them, even if you rank in Google, most probably you are going to wipe out in the updates. The real outcome is that easy links, easy come, easy go. As we say for money, so it's same for backlinks. The links that are easy to acquire are most of the time they are worthless, and they have less value as compared to links that are hard to acquire, like the links that are really really hard and that are really really expensive. In both terms, they are hard and they are expensive. Those are the links that will definitely help you to Get ranking. Yeah, I mentioned in like the links that actually move ranking are the ones that are hard to get. So this is something which is very, very important to keep in mind. Okay, so let's have a look on few sites, and you're going to tell me, you should pause the video and you're going to tell me that which one of these sites are high authority and which one of these sites are not the one like made for cash post purpose. And I am dead sure you will not be able to know. And after that, I am going to explain the difference between these sites. This is first one. This is the second one, proper threaded site, news site, where you can see there are a lot of news. This is the third one where you can see different kind of articles. And this is fourth. This most probably look like a PBN, so you might get able to get to know about it, but it's not that bad. There you can see, have a look that this is complete a real site like sharing packages. Here you can have a look on the next site. Uh, Properly publishing content about different topics. Here is the next one. And here we go, the next one. And then we have this site. And then we have this site. No, I'm that sure you might be able to get to know that USA Today is very, very super effective. But I am that sure that you will not be able to differentiate between these sites, like which one is real and which one is not. So this is where the real game comes in. Whenever you're going to get a link from the site, the best thing you should do is go to first of all, you should have a look on their homepage and you will be able to know that that site is going that site will be publishing content about different topics, like one article is about cats and the second article is about some kind of news, and the third article is going to be like about the parenting, and the next article is going to be about, like, you can easily get it. But still, if you get confused, all you have to do is to, for example, for this site or for this site, all you have to do is to go to their sitemap. You can simply type sitemap.xml, and it's going to take, here you can have a look, like they have more than 100 plus sitemap. And if you open any of their sitemap URL, like here we open it, you will see that these sitemap, single sitemap contain thousand of URLs on it. So this is one of the best and easiest way to know that you are going to get a link from a site which has not in thousands but might be millions of links on it. And even href might not be able to crawl it properly, all the links properly. So by just visiting their sitemap and doing some basic look on the site, you will be able to get to know that this site contain millions of links. And it's super easy and super cheap to get link on site like this. Now just think, if you are getting a link from a site like this, will Google consider it seriously? Definitely Google will crawl it. You're like, this page is going to be get indexed, but this link does not carry any value. And these are the same sites, like if you can go into any of these sites sitemap or on their pages, and you will be able to see that these all sites are even these sites get some good amount of traffic. If we can look on their href stats, you can see that these sites have very good traffic, very good keyword ranking and search results, and like everything is super organic and super natural. But when it comes to the outbound links, the links that are the articles that they are publishing, it is too much and it's too diversified, like in different topics. These kind of links can even sometimes get you penalized. So you have to keep in mind while creating links like this. Now let's have a look on 2 3 real example. This is a site that is the brand basically, and it is super hard to acquire a link from here. Like you need some uh, super powers, or you can say some serious money, if you are working with any link building agency, to get a link from a site like this. But when you get a link from sites like this, because these are not link farms, these are not built for links, these are sites that are publishing content naturally about different topics, and some of them might be about the like e-commerce store, some of them might be selling the products. So you need some serious efforts to get link from these kind of sites. But when you get link from these kind of sites, these are going to help you a lot, because your competitors are not be able to get link from here. They need some serious effort, and when the serious efforts are involved, very less crowd came for that thing. So this is where you are going to win. Like getting link from USA Today is not a child play. You need some serious budget, you need some serious effort to get it. Getting link from streetwriter type of site is not that easy. Getting link from these kind of site is not that easy. But when it comes to sites like this, you just need like extremely cheap budget, and you can easily acquire link from that. You can either outreach to the site owner, or you can go to any link selling agency, and most of them on these sites. And even a lot of agencies, I can't name them here, but a lot of agencies are out there that resell links from us. They purchase links from us and present them like authoritative guest post, and definitely they are, and then they resell to their clients by putting their margins. So that was the entire thing. Like that was the entire explanation, that the links that you build, uh, the one that are cheap are very easy to get replaced. Your competitor can easily replace them. Your competitor can easily get them. But the links that are hard to acquire, hard to get, and are super expensive are super worth it. And there are few methods that can help you to acquire free links, and we have tried it, did it for clients, and you can do it too. To build links that the links that actually move ranking as the links that you can get through free of cost, and you are going to get natural mentions for those links are the one that you can get through free tools, because it's AI time, and you can create free tools easily in your space. If you have a home improvement site, you can look for the tool ideas, and you can have a tool on your website. If you are a digital marketing agency, or if you are into any kind of space, into tech space, you can build some kind of relevant tools like calculators or something like that, that are most of them that are being mentioned, and then you get natural links to those side. How high quality? The second is yes, and the best way is to get links through infographics and through graphics. This is one of the most old and underrated way. If you can get good quality graphics through the designer or through the AI, and you put them on your article in your article, very search article, you can also get good quality backlink mentioned. And the third way that I have not mentioned in this guide is the one that you can acquire links through inflated search volume. Like you can have a specific brand, or you can like write article about your own site or the brand for which you are going to build backlinks. ABC, for example, ABC brand, and you are going to publish 2 3 paid articles on big publishers like USA Today or something like that, and then inflate the search volume for ABC brand. When the search volume is going to be inflated in SEMrush and Ashraf, like it has 70 80K search volume, and there is not that much articles on that, you will soon see that a lot of news sites and a lot of authority sites are going to get that article and going to mention that ABC brand is example, and they are naturally going to link to your brand. This is one of the most not saturated way. Very few people know about it in the market, that these kind of links are super effective and super rare, and they help you a lot. I am going to create a dedicated video on it in upcoming series, in which I will explain that how you can inflate the search volume for a keyword, how you can acquire 2 3 paid guest posts for that keyword, and then how other brands are going to mention you live. I'm going to share some examples as well. So that's it for today. I am that sure you are going to love this video. If you are loving these kind of videos, don't forget to give feedback in comment section. Do share your feedback, do share your suggestions, do ask any questions if you have. I will answer them in the coming episodes, and we'll continue this daily sharing knowledge series. So we'll see you in the next video. Until that,